Hey guys, how's it going? So this is a weekend video. We're gonna talk about Trine Acquisition Corp, or 3D print. Sorry, not 3D printing. Well, it is a 3D printing company, but the printing is in metal printing, and Trine is going to be merging with Desktop Metal. If the transaction goes through, I don't know what the ticker symbol is going to be, but I'm in this video. I'm gonna share my thoughts. So first of all, I'm gonna disclose I do not have shares in this company. I did have shares, but then I sold my shares so I can buy a different stock. I actually sold it at a slight loss, but then the stock price kept going down. So whatever. Anyways, for now, right now, the stock price is downtrending. But the thing is, I don't think it's going to go below $10. So right now, the risk is extremely low for Trine. I mean, I could totally be wrong, and this stock could go down to $9 or below. But if you look in the past, when the market did crash in March of 18th, the stock price was sitting at $9.40, and then it quickly bounced back and then was trading around $10 again. So, in my opinion, the stock price won't go below $10. And right now could be a good opportunity to pick up some shares. Again, not financial advice. I don't have any shares, so of course I'm not biased or anything. This is just an opinion video. And there's a possibility, and I actually do have a little bit of call options, which, if the stock price doesn't go back up, I could completely lose it or sell it at a loss. One of the two scenarios. So Ark Invest is very, very bullish on Trine. They have a big investment in I apologize for my misinformation. Ark Invest is very bullish on the 3D printing market. They believe that a 3D boom will eventually come, but for now, it's kind of a forgotten market, at least according to Ark Invest. So if you really believe that 3D printing is the future and you do believe that Ark is onto something, then Desktop Metal could be in a very attractive opportunity down here. So just saying, now if we look on the investor presentation, according to them, their revenues are supposed to be increasing to $942 million by the end of 2025, and they expect a full EBITDA positive of $268 million, which is not bad. I mean, that's pretty good profitability. But 3D printing is it's not something that people are too excited on. But if you believe in Ark and you believe that Ark is onto something, like I said, Desktop Metal could be in a very attractive investment long term. There's another thing that I also like about Desktop Metal and most 3D printing is once you're a customer, you are a customer for life. According to the investor presentation, basically for the first year they would buy the equipment, and then after that they would just pay for the consumables, basically the cartridge to keep printing. Desktop Metal will be providing those for their printers, so they would just keep generating revenue. So if they establish themselves a wide range of customers, they could potentially make a lot of money down the road, recurring revenue, having customers consistently ordering products from them. And I really like that business model. It's kind of like the Netflix of desktop printing, but all 3D printing companies are very similar in that aspect. So yeah, some of the investors are Ford, BMW, Toyota, Nissan. Ford and BMW are investors in the company, and then they have potential customers, which could be in the automotive. Honestly, you know, like according to the investor presentation, according to their products, hold on. So there's a lot of like industries they can go into, consumer goods like golf clubs, heavy industry, machinery, manufacturing tools, machine design, education, automotive. So yeah, I mean, it's metal printing, right? It's actually, their materials are better than metal printing. According to my research, it's actually stronger than metal. It's not quite like metal, but according to them, it's better than metal. So take it with a grain of salt, I guess. But I don't know. I think this company has potential long term. Short term, I don't know what the stock price is gonna do. I don't. If it pops, that would be great. I can at least make my money back from, I'll make a little bit of money off of the call options. But there's a chance that the stock price might not do anything and decline further. And that's my reality by holding. I mean, I don't have any shares. I have some call options. And I'm hoping that, you know, big money and retail investors come in and pump the stock up. But that might not happen. I actually sold Desktop Metal, Trine, for this company, because when I heard about this company, I was like, oh, I gotta buy some shares. So I looked around and I needed to free up some cash because I didn't want to convert my Canadian to US. So I sold off some Trine, used that money, and bought Nano Dimensions, and now I'm up on my Nano Dimensions. So that was actually a great call on my part. But then Nano Dimension could fall back down to $1.50, which would create a huge opportunity again. We'll see what happens with this company. You can also invest into 3D System. I believe that this is an ETF. I could be wrong. Or is this a real company? I don't know. But, you know, if we look like this, oh no, this company's been around for a while. So in 2000, like, this stock has gone up all the way up to $100 before in 2014, and then ever since then it just kind of, the bubble popped and now it's back down. But Ark is gambling that, you know, 3D printing is the future, and eventually, you know, 3D printing will get back to $100 per share, which could be a possibility if you think like on the horizon of 5 to 10 years. There could be a possibility that one day 3D printing could get back to $100 and make you a lot of money if you gamble on it now. Just saying. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.